Hey guys, it's Miss Blake here. I'm going to go over a couple of problems from your worksheet today. I actually want to start in the last set. I want to go to number 21. So it says find the interior angle sum. That means what all the interior angles should add up to. So remember we had a little formula from your notes. It was the number of sides. We want to take away 2 and multiply times 180. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So we would do 7 minus 2 times 180. Now remember you always want to do what's in the parentheses first. So we want to do 7 minus 2 is 5. And then we want to multiply that by 180 and we get 900. So all these interior angles should add up to 900 degrees. All right, next I want to look at number 1, so we're going to kind of backtrack. And the reason I backtracked is because there's only one difference in this problem and the last one. So it's still interior, but they only want one interior angle. They only want one interior angle. So we still have to find the sum. So remember the sum is n minus 2 times 180. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5 minus 2 times 180. So you have 3 times 180, which is 540. So that's what all these angles should add up to. But they only want one. So we're going to take that total 540 and we're going to split it between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So we're going to take that 540 degrees and split it evenly between each angle. So when you have 540 divided by 5, you get 108 degrees. Oops. I wrote something different. We're going to switch those. 108 degrees. And again, that means this angle is 108. This angle is 108. This angle, and this angle. So they all add up to 540. And last but not least, exterior. We love exterior angles because they always add up to 360. So exterior angles will always add up to 360. Now in this case, they only want one angle. They didn't ask for the sum. If they asked for the sum, it'd be super easy, 360. They just want one. So let's take that 360 degrees and split it evenly. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. So we're going to take that 360 degrees and split it evenly between the 10 angles, and we're going to get 36 degrees for each one. All right, so hopefully that sends you in the right direction. Good luck with the worksheet, and tell me if you have any issues.